Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You should start with the TV on and the remote ready. This saves time. Use the home button or dedicated settings key to open the menu. Once inside, move to the System or Device Preferences area. This is where sleep options live. Make sure you use the arrow keys deliberately so you don't skip ahead. If your model shows a quick settings bar, select Full Settings to see all sleep and power options before proceeding. Now you'll locate the exact sleep controls. Look for power, energy saving, or eco sections. Select sleep timer or auto power off and examine the available choices. Many TCL models list minutes or an off toggle. If you see screensaver or HDMI-CC options, open those too because they can trigger sleep behavior. Once you identify the relevant toggle, prepare to change it. Make sure you understand whether you're disabling timers globally or per input. Turn the sleep timer or auto power off setting to off or never, and confirm the change. Some models require you to press OK or save. Once done, exit menus and watch for the normal operation time to verify it won't shut down. If the TV prompts for a reboot, allow it to apply changes. Troubleshooting tip: if sleep still occurs, make sure to update firmware and check HDMI-CC or app-specific timers, and reset settings only if other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.